students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and General Knowledge, course and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, article, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today in this video we will see about mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 math chapter 11 mensuration exercise 11.3. So let's solve textbook exercise. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So these are the two boxes A and B. First we will solve of A. Length of cuboidal box L is 60 centimeter. Breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, means 2 into 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60, that is 2 into 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. So we will get 14,800 centimeters square. Same B1, the length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 50 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. The formula is total surface area of cubical box is 6 side square. So 6 into 50 into 50, that is 6 into 2500. So we will get 15,000 centimeters square. From the result of A and B, cuboid box requires the lesser amount of material to make. Second question. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a trapezoidal cloth. How many meters of trapezoidal of weight 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So length is 80 centimeter, breadth is 48 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. Total surface area of suitcase box is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is 2 into 80 plus 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. So we will get 2 into 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920. So 2 into 6912. So that is 13,824 centimeters square. Now area of a cloth, that is surface area of suitcase. So L into B equals to 13,824. So L we have to find into 96 equals to 13,824. We will divide 96 with 13,824. So we will get 144. So required cloth for 100 suitcases is 144 into 100, that is 14,400 centimeter, that is 144 meter. So we will required to cover 100 suitcase is 144 meter. Third question. The side of cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. The surface area of cube is given 600 centimeters square. Formula for surface area of cube is 6 into side whole square. Substituting the value, we get 6 into side whole square equals to 600. We will divide this 6 with 600, we will get 100. So side square equals to 100, or we can say side equals to plus minus 10. Since side cannot be negative, the measure of each side of cube is 10 centimeter. Fourth, Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? So length is given 2 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1.5 meter. Surface area of cabinet equals to LB plus 2BH plus HL. So 2 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2. So 2 plus 2 bracket 1.5 plus 3. So 2 into 9, that is 11. 2 plus 9, that is 11. So required surface area of cabinet is 11 meters square. Next, Daniel is painting the wall and ceiling of cuboid hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So length is given 15 meter, breadth is 10 meter, height is 7 meter. Total surface area of classroom equals to LB plus 2 BH plus HL. So 15 into 10 plus 2, 10 into 7 plus 7 into 15. So 150 plus 270 plus 105. That is 150 plus 350. So 500. So required number of cans equals to area of hall divided by area of one can. So 500 divided by 100, so it is 5. Therefore 5 cans are required to paint the room. Sixth question. Describe how the two figures below are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? So diameter of cylinder is given 7 centimeter. Radius we have to find. So R equals to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Height of cylinder is H equals to 7 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 equals to 154. So lateral surface area of cylinder is 154 centimeters square. Now lateral surface area of cube. So 4 into side whole square. So 4 into 7 square, that is 4 into 49 is 196. So lateral surface area of cube is 196 centimeters square. Hence the cube has larger lateral surface area. Seventh, a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made up of a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? So radius of cylindrical tank R equals to 7 meter, height is 3 meter. Total surface area of cylindrical tank equals to 2 pi R bracket H plus R. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 bracket 3 plus 7. So 44 into 10, that is 440. Therefore 440 meter square metal sheet is required. Eighth question. The lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the parameter of rectangular sheet. So lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. Height is 33 centimeter and curved surface area of hollow cylinder equals to 2 pi RH, that is 4224 into equals to 2 into 20 pi into R into 33. So R equals to 4224 upon 2 pi into 33. So R equals to 64 upon pi. Now length of a rectangular sheet L is 2 pi R. So L equals to 2 pi r into, say 2 pi into 64 upon pi equals to 128. So the length of a rectangular sheet is 128 centimeter. Also perimeter of rectangular sheet equals to 2 bracket L plus B. So 2 bracket 128 plus 33, that is 322. So the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 332 centimeter. Next, a roller takes 750 complete revolution to move 1 over to level a road. Find the area of road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and length 1 meter. So diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter. So radius equals to 84 upon 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now length of road roller is L equals to 1 centimeter equals 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So formula for curved surface area of road roller equals to 2 pi r h, that is 22 into 22 upon 7 into 42 into 100, that is 26,400. Curved surface area of road roller is 26,400 centimeter square. Again, area covered by road roller is 750 revolution equals to 26,400 into 750 centimeters square, that is 1 crore 98 lakh centimeters square, because 1980 meters square equals to 10,000 centimeters square. So the area of road is 1980 meters square. Next, 10th one. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of container. If the label is name placed 2 centimeter from below and bottom, what is the area of the label? So the diameter is 14 centimeters. We will find radius, which is 14 upon 2, 7 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. Height of label says h equals to 20 minus 2, that minus 2. So it is 16 centimeter. Curved surface area of label equals to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 16. So we will get 704. So area of the label is 704 centimeters square. So this was exercise 11.3 of chapter 11 class 8. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubt in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.